My video guide is about removing fake human verification alerts which are related to the website video18on.com. Video18on.com is a junk site. It attacks Google Chrome and other browsers, and it tries to trick you into clicking on this allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. The reality is that to click on allow is extremely risky and dangerous. If you do that, your browser will be hijacked and infected. You will start receiving a lot of multiple advertisements that would keep attacking your screen in the right part of it. So you should do something to deactivate these ads. Access the menu, go to settings of your browser, choose privacy and security, then site settings. In permissions, choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. So when you find these junk sites, including Video18on and other sites, make sure you carefully get rid of them from the list. However, I also recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the application, and then after it is successfully installed, start researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.